Some of the ideas that GPT gives me is just insane. Check this idea out.
I read it out because the screen's a little far from me, but
It
I want to
says
hear it.
real-time lie stress ring. Ring that uses pulse wave variability plus micro sweat detection to indicate stress spikes.
Oh,
I have no idea how I would engineer that, but that sounds high tech.
yeah. No, I that's my main like thing I enjoy with AI is conceptualizing, if that makes sense. Like I use it heavily for that.
Oh yeah.
I use
Like
it
I used it
like
heavily for getting ideas and learning.
yeah, and talking about physics and stuff. Oof, fun
Yeah.
time.
That's why I want to build one that I can talk to with like the most realistic sounding TTS. So it like takes breaths and pauses and allows me to interrupt it. And, you know, like that would just be so cool to sit there and have a conversation with it all day. And it'd be such an addicting tool.
Aye, that's true.
I mean, it's literally the smartest thing that I know.
No, that's true as well.
Thanks to data processing. Oh, this is why we love computers.
All right, so on YouTube, I'm running a vertical and horizontal stream at the same time. It kind of looks like crap, but we're running two streams at once.
Yeah, that's all right. Aye, that's why I was running like crap, bro, because I was going to a bunch of streams earlier.
Kind of confused about how it works, but it's okay. All right, so it does that on desktop. What's it doing on phone? Because I noticed with YouTube, if you use their like new stuff, they're more likely to push you.
Yeah.
What's an infection sensing bandage? A bandage that changes color or
Uh,
alerts phone when bacterial growth begins.
Damn.
That's
that's nice.
insane.
Right?
Bro, that would make me
That's kind of
millions.
wild.
Interesting. How
Let's
does
ask it
this
if it knows how to build that.
I wonder if this will be less effort if I start virtual camera here and try and share it to you guys that way. If I die, you know why. Am I alive?
That's
you're
crazy. It
alive?
even knows how to make this. It's even saying what you should use for the microcontroller, ESP32C3. This is insane.
There you go. It's working.
It says that when infection
There
begins,
you go, bro. I got the OBS
wounds
camera
show
working on
measurable
Kynto now.
biochemical changes like an increase in like pH and stuff like that.
Ooh.
I wonder. I wonder. My blood sugars would probably affect that though, because like that's when I get ketones and stuff, that affects the pH of your blood. So
Right? That's probably how they make
yeah,
those
that's what
implant
ketones are.
monitors where they can monitor like when your blood sugar drops
Yeah, I've got
and
one
then
of
it
them.
like texts your phone or something.
But you want to know something really cool? I've got it linked up to my smartwatch. So like my smartwatch shows me my blood sugar, like all Good.
That's pretty awesome. That's high tech.
Aye, man, it's like my own HUD. I've been watching Fallout recently as well. That's putting my blood sugar. Why is everything cursed?
Self-deploying emergency internet node, backpack device that creates an autonomous mesh network during disasters. Interesting.
There's a guy that built that on YouTube.
Yeah, I think I've seen that guy. Didn't he? I think he said in one of his videos too, the military was like reaching out to
I was just
him.
gonna say he works for the feds now. Exactly, you know exactly what I'm talking about.
Yep.
They didn't just reach out to him; it went a little bit further.
Oh yeah, yeah. They
So,
offered him jobs.
yeah, yeah. Can you blame them?
Nah, but that dude, I'm pretty sure just learned all of his stuff from AI as well. You know, he's doing trial and error. He's just an experimenter, but he's smart.
No,
It's just
yeah, no, it's man, shake a stick at.
go
Dylan put it
where it goes.
really good
Is it
earlier.
where
The
it goes?
AI you use is as smart as the person using it as well.
That's
Which
true.
I liked it. I liked how he put
Yeah.
it.
That is the key. And
But
and you can
man,
kind of
over enough
it'll tell
of
you
them when
that
they work.
too. Like AI will say, "Well, you know how to do this, this, and that, so you're great for that."
Yeah.
So you kind of have to learn with it. You grow with the AI, and the AI
But
becomes aware
no,
of all
I
the
asked.
things
So
that
it taught me how to use. It taught me how to use that so I could make thumbnails. Because I
I
never
mean, I
got
ask it
into
how to
like
make all kinds of
Photoshop.
things like scopes that don't that autocorrect using LiDAR and you never miss a shot,
Yeah,
up to like a
yeah,
thousand meters, all kinds of stuff. You
yeah.
ask it how to make
So
high-tech
have you seen
inventions. I mean, those inventions will get you jobs.
that use LiDAR can like shatter some security cameras that can fire them? The lasers in
Oh yeah, dude, building security cameras, that is fun. I built
it.
a few.
Yeah.
I'll be doing that soon
Rambling on,
enough.
bro.
I love just, all things like in the tech area of like privacy, security, and like
Yeah.
deployment. Anything that's in that area is awesome. Love security tech.
100%. 100%. Which is that the opposite of where the internet has went naturally. So, let's be real. Right.
Yeah, but that's where
We
we
need
come in handy because, people like us that are all about security, try to get rid of crime and stuff like that. We're interested in like securing the net and using it as the tool that it's intended to be used for rather than a cesspool of crime and bullcrap that you think you can get away with because it's not honestly, there wasn't a lot of laws built for the internet. Like, okay, for example, one time I knew this guy. I knew him in real
The
life
gangster these
and
days.
he threatened over Facebook to burn my house down. Well, this is the first time I ever called the cops and or something like that, and probably the last time. And
right.
yeah, I haven't called them since then actually for anything. Um, but they came to the house and they said, there's nothing we can do about that. They're like, he has to actually come and try to burn down
Yeah.
your house, and then we catch him in the
Wow.
act
Bro,
because they
Wow.
said
You're right.
this is the internet. We have no jurisdiction, and the feds aren't going to
mm,
do anything about some
William,
kid
should I
talking
tell
shit
him
on
how messed
Facebook.
up Scotland is?
Yeah.
I'll tell you how messed up Scotland is, brother. There's and even though they have him on camera, they can't send him to jail because there's no proof that he done. Well, there is proof, but like since I'm not saying he done it, they say there's not enough proof.
Was that the guy that put a sword through your head, basically?
Aye, one of them.
Yeah.
I got this. I don't
Oh
think
yeah,
I
you
got
could
this all
literally
up.
have message of
Massive
somebody
now.
saying something, and then
Oh, they did it to him. They did it to him. Dylan's head got gashed open really, really bad. Like,
what?
but I think
Like
he's
legit?
yeah, yep.
Yeah,
He's got like a
my head
dent in
bent
his
the
head
sword.
where it went in.
What the? Well, see, that's what I'm talking about. That's why I
What's
keep
that?
to myself. I just stay
Uh,
inside. The world's not safe.
To be fair, that's what Dylan does most of the time
thing
too.
is,
But he ends up with these crazy
that's what I
stories.
was doing.
Got luck so
So
bad
that
it could be
happened.
raining women. You'd be the only one getting hit in the head with a
No,
dildo
bro.
baggins.
If it can,
A bag of them.
yeah, bro. Else, Kynto. She's allowed to escape if she wants, but I don't think she does. Not yet.
13 year.
Nah,
It's a long time.
quite, quite a bit.
I've not even worked in a job for 13 years. Like that's you know what I mean? Like,
Right.
come on now.
People always knock on me for that, but I'm like, bro, it's all about expansion. I'm not gonna stay in one place
Yeah.
that'll replace me in a day.
Oh, bro,
Well,
there was
William,
there was a
I
point in my
spent.
career where the only way I could get a raise is if I got a new job. Do you know what I
Yeah.
mean?
Yeah, I taught my
And that's
girl that.
encouraged
Okay,
in
so like
America.
it's like a couple years ago, she was making like 22 an hour, right? And that I thought that wasn't good enough. So at some point I noticed that every time she would get fired from a place, which didn't happen much, but or quit the job and go
It
somewhere else.
happens, but yeah.
Yeah, it happens. Um she fell asleep when she was pregnant. So I feel like it was totally justified. Somebody could have been, nicer about that. But whatever, I get it. It's the health field. Um, but she was making 22 in the beginning, and after so many times, she would just get a dollar raise like every time. So I noticed there was a pattern there, and I was like, you know what? You don't like this place? Screw it. Quit. Go somewhere else. You can always work somewhere else. Now she's a couple years down the road now of doing this, like, going to different jobs. Stopped at some point because now she makes 45 an hour. Yeah, so
That's
the
not
only
bad
thing
at
higher
all.
than that is to like get like a better license. So like, go back
Like
to
nurse
school for
practitioner or something. Yeah.
yeah, like so
Nah,
she right now she's an LPN. So like the next step would become like an RN. I think even a
Right.
nurse practitioner is
our
above an
mum's an
RN.
RN. Our mum
Yeah,
used to
she's
be
getting
as well.
paid really good for an LPN though. Really good.
Yeah, that's super good,
Yeah.
especially in this state because this
If
state is
if my mum wasn't a nurse, I'd
pretty
probably
poor.
be.
What did he say?
My mum wasn't a nurse, then I'd probably be dead.
She was a nurse also?
Yeah,
Yeah, now
for
then.
years.
It's hard work, man. They go
Oh yeah,
and
she
work
worked
their
in an
butts off for
emergency room.
12 hours straight, putting up with people yelling
Literally.
at them, cussing at them. Like, cause when you're
Peeing
sick and
too.
you're like dying, you're scared and stuff. So people are kind of mean. Bite the hand that feeds you.
Yeah, well you're not wrong.
People are
Yeah.
mean anyway.
I think differently. I'd be like, nah, I don't want you to pump me full of morphine, bro. Like, leave me alone. I'll be nice to you.
No,
If all it takes is being mean to the nurse to get more relief, I would do it, but I'd feel bad.
well, I'm nice to the nurses, and they come every 4 hours, and they give me my morphine. Right, do you want
I
some?
think they're like
William,
hooked on opioids.
William,
Most of the people that are in there.
oh yeah, I had a nurse ask me if I like the warm feeling and my eyes rolling back when
Dang. Have you ever
I
died and come
like
back to
flu.
life?
Pretty much, I
Yes,
stopped
yes.
breathing and stuff.
Now,
Yeah.
what
Yeah.
did you see?
I had to give him
Is it just black, or did you see anything?
There than I wasn't than I was. And she waking up after it, it was the worst feeling I've ever had. That's why
Dang.
my girlfriend like, you're probably going to die when I was in the hospital because I was puking up a bunch of blood. and she was very angry when she found out I had one. She made me sign she made me reverse that. She made me reverse
Oh,
the
you signed a
DNR.
do not resuscitate? Yeah,
Yeah,
DNR.
yeah.
Dang.
Uh,
That means you didn't want to come back.
no, but it was painful. And like the last time it happened, I was a kid. So if it was that
I
But
feel
this guy
that.
is puking blood in that. Like he was in a state. I think he still
it
does,
was.
but it was.
Yeah, I still do, bro. But I know as often.
Yeah, that's scary. I mean, I I went I don't know what had happened if I had kidney stones or something, but I ended up peeing blood one time, and that
But
for
no,
a couple
I've not done
weeks
that.
was the scariest thing ever to me.
Was it
I
during
was
an
freaking out.
adventurous time in your life, or was it? You know what I mean?
No. No.
Okay.
I don't know. It could have been, rough play. It could could have been working out,
Yeah.
could have been a kidney stone. So I'm not really sure, but
Ugh.
yeah, it was scary, man. It was scary. It was like pure blood coming out,
That
and it
sounds
was awful.
scary.
Yeah,
That
and
sounds
it went
real
on for a
scary,
while,
brother.
so I totally I mean, I don't like totally relate because that would be scarier, by far,
That
much
was a
scarier.
shock, bro.
But
That was a
like I relate to like the fear and like the pain. Just,
I've
I
ever
mean,
phoned an ambulance myself is where blood starts coming out of places it doesn't. Like, see when I got hit with that sword, I phoned an ambulance then. I was say after that, and then I went to I phoned an ambulance, like, and then when I was puking blood, I phoned an ambulance, and blood starts coming out of places.
jeez.
I think
Oof.
that's a good rule. Good rule for life. If
Yeah,
blood's coming out of a place it doesn't belong,
yeah,
call an
Right.
yeah.
ambulance. I'm not big on
No for real.
hospitals, but like I would do it then. I'm
Oh
not.
yeah, I went to the hospital and the doctor like immediately, like multiple times, and then they wanted to send me to the urologist because they said that you didn't they did like x-rays and all that, blood tests. They said I don't have cancer, I don't have, like kidney stones. They even said I didn't have those, and I'm like,
I,
then why am I continuously peeing blood? They couldn't figure it
well,
out, but eventually it just went away.
I've literally been for the nuclear testing and all that. Like, an MRI or whatever done like every 15 minutes.
It's hard
Oh,
to hear you. Can you put your microphone closer to your mouth a little bit?
Uh-oh. Let me see if I can.
yeah.
So
Since
I
you
had to eat
switched
like
computers, though, and your mic's been different.
Yeah, it keeps cutting in and out, and then I was like,
Yeah.
I could hear you clearly at one point, and then like it got really quiet and low.
Dropped off. Probably going to rejoin, but
We gotta send him a mic to the UK.
he actually just got one. He got a proper mic in a DJI Mic 1, but I think like when he switched his streaming computer um, to what he's using now, like it's
Oh,
not configured as well. Yeah,
that makes sense.
yeah, because he needed a DJI mic so he could walk around because he wanders around a lot and he kept
hello.
knocking over his mic, and it was a lot, right, Dylan?
Yeah, it was. You can hear me, yeah. No,
Wee bit.
no. A wee bit. Why is it when it's so quiet? Let me turn it on and off again.
What happens if his mic died and it's just using his laptop on him?
I remember back in the day when I didn't have a microphone or something. I did that trick where you can talk through headphones.
Ah, yeah, 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 yep, yep, yep. 100%.
WKZ Dylan joined
I was
mobile
looking for
stream.
like any way to make a microphone. It's brilliant.
God. Yeah.
I don't know
My
if this
first
is any
little-
better.
I can hear you,
But
but it's just like half audio.
That's how they listen
That-
to you through your TV, through the
It
speakers.
must be, bro. It must be something.
That's true.
Kynto, because it's the same.
That's
mic
very
and
true,
it's still got
actually.
the same levels. It's still got the same levels on my stream setup. So I don't know what's going on.
Interesting.
And okay,
Maybe
'cause I'm
try
not
bumping
feeding
it in Microsoft. Maybe you should do it.
Maybe it says it actually says I think it says my mic's low.
Yeah, it probably is. We've been going for like 4 hours, bro. Well, we could wrap this up, and that means we could get back on tomorrow or
Up to
today,
you,
technically.
up to
But
you. It's
I'm
up
down
to
for
you,
that.
Tony.
Had a
Aye.
chill session though. Yeah, we might pull some
That's
clips from this because we talked about some shows that got into some detail. It's kind of podcasting.
I wonder. Can I use
I think
it
we
at the
lost
same time?
Mr. Smith.
Can you still hear me, bro?
Yeah,
Oh my god, I think I can use it when it's plugged in. Does it sound any better?
sounds about the same.
About the same.
Oh,
Right,
when I
right.
closed my stream, it exited out of the call. But I can hear you guys.
Huh. That's
you
a
hear
bit
me?
wicked. Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, okay, good. Sweet.
Now you're quiet, Mr. Smith, and Dylan sounds better.
Oh, is
What
that
about
what was
now?
happening? Yeah, no, he sounds quiet for me too.
Is
Like
this
quieter
better?
than you were. Yeah, I can hear you, but
Are you sharing
you're-
the same mic? Just make sure it's actually using the same microphone you were using before.
Oh, yeah. Let me see. How's this?
Tell us about a show or something.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
Seashore or Sally?
Sally, yeah, Sally
seashells.
sells seashells by the seashore.
Sally
Now you guys
seashells,
sound the
oh.
same level, so that's a little bit better.
Oh,
Sweet.
hello.
Hola. ¿Cómo
Hola,
estás,
¿cómo?
señor?
¿Cómo está? That's all I
Bien.
know.
Bien. Oh,
Oh,
bien. ¿Y
muy
tú?
buen. Very good.
Muy bien. Sí.
Muy buen.
Not that good, guys. Come on now.
Flexing.
Optimist over here, but yeah, we're gonna wrap this up and get back on tomorrow if that's doable.
Yeah, we'll wrap it up real quick and we'll get gallivanting along as well. I'll probably do some test stuff that I was working on in the background here.
I think tomorrow, before the next stream I do, I'm gonna set up my own encoder, consume the OBS stream, and send it out with like YouTube headers. I'm gonna emulate a YouTube stream, server side. Even if it adds like 5 seconds of latency, if it gets more people on, it's worth doing it.
Right. That's true.
You've got my script
Right.
now, brother. So you should take a look at that.
All right, we'll take a look at that as well. I like looking at code on stream too, so
Definitely.
send me code.
Oh, you want the
But
code
I got
for
yours.
the flight radar?
Yeah, that'd be sick.
I'll send it to you.
Dope. All right, guys, this was chill. I liked a little podcast element. It's like 10 minutes long, talking about shows. We might clip it.
Yeah, good. I might go through and do the same.
Right, dope. Catch you guys later, man. Take it easy.
Have a good night, stream. Stay blessed.
Right.
Indeed.